Alright, hello Computer Science Club. I thought I'd make this just to help everyone else get set up with GitHub so we can get collaborating. So what you want to do, you want to start up your Eclipse. I'm also going to open this up for those of you who haven't found GitHub, if any of you aren't there. GitHub.com. There's sign in or sign up for free. Just do your username, email, password. You might have to confirm it with your email or whatever, but anyway, it's pretty straightforward. Don't worry about everything. It'll take a while to get used to it. I'm still learning. Anyway, yeah, choose your workspace. I'm just using one on my desktop to make it for this tutorial. Use it at your default location. That's probably the best option. Alright, you can close that out if you still have that. So this is the current outline. What yours looks like, you might have a project in here too from what was set up. If you do, just ignore it for now. Alright, so to get Egit going, you want to go to install new software. You want to open up your browser. You want to go to just search Egit, and second one down with downloads, and then copy that, the updates, throw it in here, and enter maybe. Yeah, there we go. And expand this one. Don't click that one. Click this one here. You just want that one. Go ahead and hit next. It's going to install, so I'm going to skip until it's done. Alright, it's all done for me. It should have these. So you hit next. It'll say, do you agree to this? Yes, we agree to this. It's going to install it. Alright, there we go. So now it says you'll need to restart for the changes to take effect. Just go ahead and do that. Should restart on its own, yeah. Choose your workspace. Let it open up. Alright, close that again. Alright, so now in order to open the Git perspective, you need to go to Window, Show View, Other, Git repositories. Yeah, let's just do that. I'm just gonna throw it. Oops, I threw it down here. I prefer it like right there. Some people put it over here. I don't know. It's up to you really. This is where I'm gonna usually keep it though. So anyway, now for the first time you use Git, you need to go to Preferences. Might be down here. Configuration. Okay, so it'll pop up with a little thing the first time you use it that asks for your username and password, or not password, username and email, just to confirm, or just to show which computer is uploading updates to GitHub. Mine's already in there, so I won't get that dialog, but it's just a simple thing. You enter your username and email, and don't worry about this pane right here. The other thing you have to do is go to General, Network Connection, SSH2, Key Management. You want to generate a DSA key. You want to select everything in there. Make sure you have it all, copy it, and then hit Save Private Key. Hit OK to that thing. I'm just going to rename it because I already have one in there. I don't want to write over it. So yeah, make sure that's copied. hit OK. Open up the browser again, go to GitHub, and now you have an account. You can go ahead and sign in. Sign in. No, save it. Go to account settings, to SSH keys. Delete that one. Alright. Add my Mac, let's say, name it whatever your computer. Well, you can put whatever name you want in there. Just name it like per your computer. Only have to configure your computer once. Then copy the key or paste the key into there. Hit add key. Confirm your password. There you go. And now this key is configured to be used with GitHub. That makes it so your GitHub recognizes your computer. You'll get a confirmation email. Yeah, close that. Poof. Now go to the Clark Computer Science Club page. Right. And let's see, like the little logo I made, and the 8-bit RA. First, let's just do learning LWJGL and GitHub. Let's go with that one. 8-bit RA, we'll do that. You can do that on your own once you've figured out how it works. It's the same process. So, and SSH right here. So this little thing, and make sure you're not on either of these. You want SSH. You want to copy that, and you want to pull up Eclipse. Okay, we're gonna try something different now. I've re-recorded this like 3 times, and every time it did something different. I hope it doesn't do different stuff for you, because that would make this tutorial not work. But anyway, paste path repository blah. Okay, so it's gonna automatically put your clipboard up here, so it'll automatically say stuff. Choose SSH, leave port blank, don't change authentication. Next. Alright, so make sure this directory is to your workspace. It's probably going to automatically configure it to be linked to some Git thing, but you want to make sure that's to your workspace. So say finish. Alright, so now it added it down here. If you look in the working directory, that's where, and under source, this is where the actual code is. Technically you can edit it there and push it, but you won't be able to run tests upon that. Like you won't be able to run it at all. So you have to have it in your package explorer in order to run it. So you want to say new Java project. You want to name it. Wow, sorry, my display keeps tipping down. You want to name it exactly the same thing. WJGL and GitHub 1. So because you put it in your workspace, it's already there, so the wizard's going to automatically configure the JRE and the project layout based on existing source. So that's perfect, that's what you want, so hit finish. So now it automatically packed everything in here. Don't worry about that folder, just look at this folder and go to default package, and then now you can make changes to it here and you can run it. The reason there are errors is because the libraries aren't imported. You can go ahead and do that. Remember how I showed you how to do that. Oops. You want to select top level. Properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, and wherever you have them located. I have mine in documents, workspace, libraries, I think. Can find it. Is that? Yeah. So no. yeah, it's in jar. You want that one, and you want that. You want both J input and LWJGL. Open. Add external jars again. If you have slick, go ahead and throw that in. Now select LWJGL, native library location. Double click that external folder. Choose native and Mac or Windows if you're on Windows. Okay. Hit OK. All the errors should disappear. Yay! And I guess you could try running this to see if it works. Yeah. Yeah. I hope you hope you're not prone to seizures. That would be bad. Declaration. Not sure why that's there. There's supposed to be a console here. Anyway. Yeah, that's basically it. Once you figured that one out, why don't you go ahead and do this? I already put mine here. Strad was here. Go ahead and add your name on here. Billy was here, let's say. And you can go ahead and right click, go to team. Oops, no, we haven't done that yet. Alright, right click on the package, go to team, share project, git, next, select that because it's already there, hit finish. And alright, now it should be linked with this. Alright, so you want to right click on your workspace thingy and go to team, commit. Yeah, save changes. Alright, in the commit message you want to say like added Billy, added your name, whatever. Go ahead and hit commit. You can this thing here is to select which files you're gonna add. I haven't been adding class files. We could start doing that, I guess. This is just a practice anyway. So I've been adding the class files for the actual game itself. So just hit commit with this file. So it's gonna add the commit down here, and you see all these little orange thingies that are gonna pop up when you do that. And that shows that it's been committed. Two committed. Alright. Now you want to push that change to the upstream. So you want to make it so the change is visible on the website. So go to this little, under remotes, go to origin, right click on that, hit push. And it's pushing those changes. And you want to say OK. So yeah, I want to see all your names in there, by the way. That way we know who's gotten it figured out. Alright, so all those changes should be pushed now. So if we go back here, the CUCCSI page, go to there, learning LWTGL. If we go to commits, perfect. There's the change. You can look at it. Billy was here, Strad was here. You can see the changes, make a comment. Yeah, and drop a message on Facebook if you run into any problems with this. I know there are a lot of things that can go wrong. It's true with any, learning how to use any program. So, I mean, Eclipse is just kind of overly complicated in a way. It's also it's kind of necessary that it has to be that way because it's so used by so many different languages and by so many different companies for various development stuff, and it's all open source and so many plugins and blah. But yeah, that's how to add Git repos. Good luck with that, and hope to see you on GitHub soon. All right.